Bharli Bhindi is a delightful dish from Maharashtra. It's very commonly made in every household across the state. It's packed with flavor and is the perfect wholesome dish. Today I'll show you how to make it extraordinary with MAGGI Masala-ae Magic. With its rich spices, it's a balanced and flavorful dish that tastes amazing with roti. In a bowl, we'll add 2 tablespoons of roasted peanut powder, 2 tablespoons of grated dry coconut, 1 tablespoon of roasted and ground sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of jaggery powder, which is completely optional, and salt to taste. Mix everything really well and add 1 teaspoon of oil to bind it. Then mix it one more time and the stuffing is ready. Slit each bhindi lengthwise and generously stuff it with the stuffing. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, add mustard seeds and hing and let them splutter. Then arrange stuffed bhindi gently in the pan. Cook on low flame with a lid on for 10 to 12 minutes, turning occasionally till soft and well cooked. At the MAGGI Masala-ae Magic is made with 10 spices roasted and blended to perfection. MAGGI Masala-ae Magic adds extraordinary taste to daily dishes. I can add MAGGI Masala-ae Magic to any daily recipe, dal, curry, dry veg, and it elevates the dish. Add this to your dal or sabzi and give 2 to 3 minutes to allow the flavors to melt together before turning off the gas. I'm gonna taste this because it looks amazing and the aroma is so good I cannot resist myself. Give this recipe a try and enjoy your delicious Bharli Bhindi at home.